Ever found yourself locked out of your Xbox account, staring at that dreaded password prompt? Don't worry, we've all been there, and getting back into your gaming world is simpler than you think. First things first, navigate to the official Xbox Sign-in page in your web browser. You can usually find this by searching for Xbox Sign-in or by going directly to Xbox.com. Below the password field, you'll see a link that says Forgot My Password. Click on that to kickstart the recovery process. Now, you'll be prompted to enter the email address or phone number associated with your Xbox account. This is crucial for them to verify it's really you. Once you've entered your information, you'll have options to receive a security code. This could be sent to your alternate email or to a phone number you've previously linked. Choose the method that works best for you. Check your chosen email or text messages for a code from Microsoft or Xbox. It might take a minute to arrive, so be patient. Enter the security code you received into the designated field on the Xbox recovery page. Double-check for any typos to ensure accuracy. Success! If the code is correct, you'll now be given the opportunity to set a brand new password. Choose something strong and memorable. A mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols is always a good practice. Confirm your new password by entering it again, and then hit that submit button. You've officially reset your Xbox account password. Now you can head back to your Xbox, sign in with your updated password, and get back to what you love: gaming. Happy gaming.